Maglalabas ba kayo ng photo cards kagaya nito? Let's settle this once and for all.
Hi, my name is Dion Greg Reyes. I am with AA Philippines as a consultant and manager. And marami nang nagtanong sa akin tungkol sa photo cards na maglalabas ba kami as a company bilang the newest ninang of SB19. So the short answer is less likely o lamang hindi po kami maglalabas ng photo cards for one reason. And that reason being, kami as agents or consultants of life insurance industry sa Philippines or financial services na industry, we are regulated by the Insurance Commission, no? Sila yung regulatory body namin, and part of our code of conduct sa ethics namin is that we cannot sell policies in exchange of something. So that's called inducement or rebating. So for example, offeran ko ng insurance ng isang 18 mga caps o offer ko kayo ng insurance in exchange of a photo card. Bawal po 'yan. So because you avail of a life insurance for you to be covered, magkaroon ka ng coverage, ng protection, ng peace of mind, not for the photo card. So subject yung namin, yung selling propositions to certain rules and regulations by the Insurance Commission. And kaya siya tinatawag na rebating because nagbibigay kami ng rebates in the form of or money or items, and that includes a photo card. So bawal yun. Hindi kami makakapagbigay or pag-offer ng life insurance that comes with photo cards or kahit anumang SB19 branded na mga items or collaterals. But I would encourage ating mga caps na fellow 18s na kumuha ng life insurance for the purpose na kayo ay covered, magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind in case na may mangyari sa inyo bilang yun naman talaga ang purpose ng ating life insurance na mga policies. That being said, kung wala pa kayong kausap na taga AA Philippines, you can contact me via my platforms. I will share dito sa baba or sa taas. And I will share more anong meron kami sa AA Philippines at bakit sa tingin baka maintindihan nyo rin kung bakit AA Philippines ang napiling partner ng SB19 for life insurance. Ayos ba? Follow to know more about life insurance.